All right, so number 4 on the next page says a laundry basket full of socks contains 12 more gray socks than white socks. There are twice as many black socks as gray socks, and there are 120 socks in the basket. Determine the color of each, or determine the amount of each color. So what I want to see is, hey, can you write the expressions? What'd you put for the expression of white socks, black socks, and gray socks? Well, I know white socks is W. W plus 12 was my gray, and 2 times that is black. So what I did is I set that all equal to 120. So I have my white socks, my gray socks, and my black socks equals 120. Okay, when I distributed and combined my like terms, you should end up with 4W plus 36 equals 120 is your equation after you combine all those like terms, right? Because W plus 2W plus 2W. Ooh, I may have done that wrong. Let's see, we have W. What? Nope, I was right. 4W, okay, plus 36 equals 120. Subtract 136 on both sides, you get 84 equals 4W. Divide both sides by 4, and I know W is 21. Well, gray, okay, is going to be 12 more than 21. So when you're on a test, 21 plus 12, well, not 13, gives you 33. Okay, you have 33 gray, and twice that amount gives you black. Check your work. 33 plus 66 plus 21 should give you 120. Did it? Yes. All right, next one. At Target, the price of a scarf is $5 less than a tote bag. Alice bought 3 scarves, 2 tote bags, and spent $65. Fill in the blanks. So I did the scarf was B minus 5, bag minus 5, and a bag was B. We know B minus 5 was scarf. She bought 3 scarves. She bought 2 tote bags, and it cost $65. Distribute. Okay, 3 times 5 should be 15, right? Not 45. Combine those like terms. This should be 15, not 45. Okay, if I add 15 to both sides, 65 plus 15, that's 0, carry my 1, 6, 7, 80. You get 80 equals 5B. Divide both sides by 5. You should get 16. So B is 16, not 22. So when I go over here, B is 16, which means the scarf is 11 because it's 5 less than 16. Okay, we did all of that up above. So a scarf should have been 11, right, and a bag was 16. This next one, it says in a triangle ABC, the measure of angle C is twice as much, so that's where I got 2B as B, and A is 20 more than angle B, so B plus 20. We talked last week about how in every single triangle there is 180 degrees, so I put all of that equal to 180. All right, so you have 4B plus 20 equals 180. Subtract 20 on both sides, you get 4B equals 160. Divide both sides by 4, you get B is 40. That means angle B is 40. This is 20 more than 40, so it's 60. This is 2B, so it should be 80. All right. Down here, Mediacom offers high-speed internet for $22 a month plus $15 activation fee. So $22M plus $15 activation fee. The other place is $18 per month plus $47. Okay, after how many months will they be the same? I'm going to subtract 15 on both sides. You get 32 plus 18M on this side. Over here we have 22M. Subtract 18M on both sides. Okay, you get 4M equals 32. So M is 8. After 8 months, they will be the same. They'll cost the same. Okay, next page on the back. Farmer Smith and Paul, okay, charges a one-time setup fee of $270 plus $350 per square foot. So it looks like up here I put Paul. Paul's paint is $270 plus $350 per square foot. The color by Carl is $8 per square foot. I set them equal to each other and found that they'll be the same at 60 square feet. Okay, but then they want me to take 1,800 and plug that in to figure out what's the better deal. So when I do that, for Paul, it's going to be $350, right, times 1,800 plus that activation fee That's 6,570. Or over here, it's going to be 8 times 1,800, which is 14,400. So what's the better deal for your money? At that rate, definitely Paul. Okay, we're going to go over these in class because we've not done those yet. Down here at the bottom, the first one, he forgot to distribute correctly, right? 5 times 5 is 25. The second one, he made an error combining his like terms. The third one, he was correct. And that is the rest of the study guide.